Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have been considering that it is very foolish on my part to take no thought of the only thing in life worth having, the one thing that can compensate for every want, that can make us forget every misery. Love in the world. Love looks not with the eyes but with the mind. From the moment we started talking, I knew that I wanted you around. But love has no uttermost, as the stars have no number and the sea no rest. When he wanted to take her picture, he didn't tell her to smile but told her, "I love you," and her smile was more beautiful. You were hidden behind walls of ice, no man had passed them. I broke them down and love depth to love, and you lie here, my beautiful love, in the arms of its lover. Blood may thicker than water, but love is thicker than anything. I choose you and I will choose you over and over, without pause, without a doubt. In a heartbeat I will keep choosing you. How strange to dream of you even when I am wide awake. Music I heard with you was more than music, and bread I broke with you was more than bread. Now that I am without you, all is desolate. All that was once so beautiful is dead. If he loved you with all the power of his soul for a whole lifetime, he couldn't love you as much as I do in a single day. I look over to you and I see sunshine. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its love lines increases. It will never pass into nothingness. There is nothing that I want more than your hand in mine. I slept and dreamt that life was joy. I awoke and saw that life was service. I acted and behold, service was joy. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.